Google is gearing up to launch the Pixel 9 series, which will feature significant upgrades including new camera hardware and an ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Recent reports state that the upcoming Pixel devices will feature Samsung's M14 OLED technology, improving display quality according to Android Authority. Sources within Google have shared details about these new display features. The Pixel 9 lineup, including the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL, will use M14 OLED display for better brightness and longevity. While the Samsung Galaxy S24 uses older M13 panels, the Pixel 9 series will set new brightness records, surpassing the Pixel 8 HDR full screen brightness of 1400 nits and the Pixel 8 Pro's 1600 nits. The Pixel 9 Pro will have a display size similar to the base Pixel 9, making it a more compact option within the premium segment. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is expected to feature a redesigned display. Unlike the original Pixel Fold, which had a wide aspect ratio, the new model will adopt a nearly square shape. The internal display will have a resolution of 2152 x 2076 pixels and measure 8 inches diagonally, up from 7.6 inches on the original model. This change brings it closer in design to other popular foldables like the OnePlus Open. The Pixel 9 Pro's Fold inner display will achieve a peak brightness of 1600 nits compared to 1000 nits on its predecessor. The outer display will measure 6.24 inches, matching the Pixel 9 display specifications. The Google Pixel 9 series is set to launch on August 13, 2024, along with accessories like the Pixel Watch 3. So friends, that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.